Welcome everybody! Today we are speaking about Data Studio and how you can build real funnel visualization for your Google Analytics data. So let's get into the video. So, if you've been around Data Studio for a while, you probably already know how to work around the funnel visualization, since there was no good solution out there to build funnels in Data Studio. Here's how you can do it. So let's jump into Data Studio and I'll show you. Here we are in Data Studio. I've got my almost empty front page here, and as you know, we need to connect to Data Studio first before we go ahead and create a report here. To create a data source, simply click on the Create button on the left hand side and choose Create Data Source here in the middle. You'll see the page switch to Data Source Marketplace, and now you can go ahead and search for one we are going to use today, which is FunnelGraph. The first thing you need to do to get started building funnels is going through the two-steps authentication process if we haven't already. The first thing you are going to see when you finish the authentication process is this screen here. And the way how FunnelGraph works is it allows you to select the segment for each step in the funnel after you selected the Google Analytics account here on the top. Here I have selected the test property, and now I'm going to select each step of my funnel. Now the cool thing is, FunnelGraph actually allows you to mix up your segments in different ways, so you can replicate your funnels for similar scenarios pretty quickly. I still need to notice that at the moment I'm making this video, some of the features aren't fully available, but they should be launched soon. Now, for test purposes, I've selected some of the built-in Google Analytics segments to simply show you how it works, but you can play with your own account, since I'm pretty sure you have quite more segments to work with. And the good thing is, the connector lists all your segments regardless which account you select on the top. If you're a professional web analyst, this feature will help you to reuse already existing segments and save the time building funnels for different clients. So the next step is finally to click on Connect in order to finish the connector setup process. Worth to mention is that the free version doesn't allow you to change your settings in the report itself, which is fine if you would like just testing out. But if you consider to reuse it for multiple clients, premium version allows you to easily do this, so check it out, the links will be in the description below. The next screen allows you to manage the metrics and dimensions. As you can see, most metrics can be found here in the list. Dimensions, however, are limited to the date and funnel step information. Now, the step name and the number refer to a selection on the previous screen. The funnel definition is specifically designed for debugging purposes. This dimension shows you the exact segment definition in Google Analytics. A cool thing in FunnelGraph is it comes together with the community visualizations, which makes the key difference to other connectors. So, to use them, we need to activate this important feature here. Now we are good to go and can build our first funnel. You can see it's using the showcase report if you click on Create Report button, which is fine. Let's go ahead and create a new page here. And let's add table to our page. Now, by default, the chart has date dimension and this metric here. We're going to change this to step number, name and sessions as a metric. You see, the table now shows the number of sessions for each step. To get the funnel chart for our data here, we need to add a chart which is specifically designed to work with FunnelGraph. Let's use this one as example and copy the path here. We'll need this in a minute. Now, Data Studio made the process adding custom visualization pretty complicated. Let's click here and then follow the steps here until we reach the input field where you can paste the copy path from the showcase. By default, the visualization needs the same settings like the table. But once we got this, the chart shows us the funnel steps and the associated numbers. As you can see, the free version doesn't allow you to change the funnel step from here, and you need to return back to connector settings to make updates. So, super easy to build funnels with FunnelGraph connector. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and if you are into data analysis, and want to get more insights out of your data for your business, consider subscribing. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.